Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to fix not receiving text messages on any iPhone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, just tap on the airplane icon over here and enable airplane mode on your iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on the airplane mode icon and disable airplane mode. Now if this did not fix your issue, then force restart your iPhone. Now for that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now if this also did not fix your issue, just open Settings, then go to General. Now in General, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. Now from this menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Now just tap on Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then just take out the SIM card of your iPhone, then insert it back in. Now if you're using an eSIM instead of a physical SIM card, you can skip this step. Now after you do that, then open Settings and tap on Apps. Now from this list, just open the Messages app. Now from here, just make sure you enable iMessages. Now if it is already enabled on your iPhone, just disable it and enable it back on. Now once you enable iMessages on your iPhone, you will see the option of Send and Receive. Just tap on it, and from here just check if your phone number or the Apple ID you entered is correct. Now after you do that, just go back. Now from here, you will find the option of Screen Unknown Senders. Now if this option is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it and also disable Filter Spam. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then go to General. In General, you will find the option of Software Update. Just tap on it, and from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix not receiving text messages on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.